In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split this rectangular block into two parts. As we can see, you're going to be using the split body feature to do that. It's very simple. Make sure you watch the video to the end so you know how to split this body into two parts, and leave a like on this video if it helps you out. Now let's begin. So we are in the NX 3D modeling workspace. The first thing I'm going to do is to create the rectangular block. So extrude. Since we are adding material, sketch section on this XZ plane. I'm going to have a rectangle from center, and this will be the center. The length of the rectangle should be 100 and the height should be 50 millimeters. This is okay. So finish. Then you're going to extrude by, let's say, 400 millimeters. Okay. So this is the rectangular block that we are going to split into two equal parts. In order to split this body, there must be an entity or something on the point where we want to create the split. So I'm going to insert the datum plane. So datum plane. And since we are dividing the block into two equal parts, I'm going to use the bisector. The first plane should be this face. The second plane should be this face. So that the datum plane will be in the middle of the rectangular bar. Okay. And then we create the split. So you come to more. In the features, you can see this split body. If you cannot find it, just search in the search bar here, split body. So this is the split body. It divides the body into multiple bodies. Click on it. First, you have to select the target, which is the block or the entity that we want to split. So click on this rectangular block. And the tool option, you can see there's a new plane, extrude, revolve, but we go with the face or plane. Select the face or plane, click on this datum plane here we inserted. Apply. Now we want to select individual bodies, so come to this type filter, solid body. So we can now select individual bodies. So you can see this is the solid body of split body, and this is the solid body of extrude. So these are two different bodies. Now I'll hide the datum plane and then apply different colors to each body. So on a view, edit display, click on this body. Let's make it red. Apply. Again, edit display. This time click on this body and change this to blue. So yeah, that's how to use the split body feature to divide a body into different or multiple components. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. And share the video so your colleague engineers and college students can also watch and learn how to use the split body. I'll see you in the next one. Safe.